Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 fun things you didn't know ChatGPT could do. So let's get started. So now I'm gonna tell you 5 fun and surprise things people might not know ChatGPT can do. So, number 1. ChatGPT can generate creative stories and poems. You can ask ChatGPT to write personalized stories or poems based on your favorite themes, characters, or moods. Want a short poem about rainy day or summer day? ChatGPT's got you covered. Number 2. ChatGPT can create fun quizzes or puzzles. ChatGPT can whip your custom quizzes, riddles, or word puzzles. You could ask for a brain teaser, or trivia game, or even a crossword based on your favorite topics. Number 3. Design imaginary world or fantasy settings. If you have ever wondered what a medieval city would look like, or how a space station in the year 3000 might work, ChatGPT can help you imagine detailed worlds, cultures, and settings for your creative projects. Number 4. Creative virtual characters. Want to create a character for a story or game? ChatGPT can help you design personalities, backstories, and even dialogues for fictional characters. You can tweak their traits or professions. Number 5. Generate custom playlist. ChatGPT can suggest songs based on your mood, activities, or favorite genre. Just tell it what vibe you are going for, and it will recommend a personalized playlist. So, these unexpected fun features show that ChatGPT can be a creative companion for more than just answering questions. I hope that it is very helpful to you. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.